Contracts for difference. What is a contract for difference? Well, in its essence, it's very similar to a single stock future. The main difference is how this is actually settled on that future maturity date. So if you remember, we did in the last section an example of a fund manager who in month 1 looked to fix their price for settlement in month 2. And they locked into a price of 15. This enabled them to physically buy the shares at that future date, month 2, at 15. Now, the contract for difference would also lock this fund manager and give them certainty of price at the 15. But rather than giving the fund manager the opportunity to buy at this price, the contract is cash settled. So, if month 2 arises and the stock price has in fact risen to, say, for example, 30, what the fund manager will do is buy their shares at 30. But don't panic, the CFD is now going to give them a cash settlement, but the difference between the current cash price and their fixing price is going to result in a net balance of 15 Rand paid to them. So, what has the fund manager effectively achieved? Well, they paid 30 Rand for the shares, received 15 back, and are still effectively locked in at the 15 Rand. So, at the heart, contracts for difference are very similar to the single stock futures. It's just the matter of cash settlement at maturity for CFDs.